In today's crowded e-commerce landscape, getting noticed can feel like a huge challenge. With so many online stores out there, how do you make sure that your products are the ones that people find? That's where search engine optimization, known as SEO, comes in. SEO helps your pages show up higher in Google's search results, which means that more people can discover what you offer. But let's face it, SEO can be complicated. From figuring out the right keywords to fixing technical issues on your site, it's a lot to manage. That's where Semrush comes in. It's a tool built to make SEO easier and more effective for e-commerce businesses. Whether you're looking for the best keywords, analyzing competitors, or improving your website, Semrush provides the insights and tools that you need to get results. In this review, we'll break down what Semrush offers and how it can help you level up your SEO strategy. What makes Semrush the ultimate SEO tool for e-commerce? Semrush isn't just another SEO tool. It's an all-in-one platform tailored to meet the unique demands of e-commerce businesses. Whether you're looking to improve your website's structure, craft compelling content, or outsmart your competitors, Semrush provides everything that you need under one roof. Here's a glimpse of what it offers. Keyword research. Tools like the Keyword Magic Tool and e-commerce keyword analytics help you identify high-intent keywords tailored for product and category pages. Content optimization. Create compelling, SEO-friendly product descriptions, blog posts, and FAQ sections. Technical SEO. Streamline your site's structure, improve page load speeds, and fix technical issues with ease. Competitor analysis. Discover what's working for your competitors and how you can outperform them. Performance tracking. Monitor rankings, organic traffic, and conversions to measure your success. Backlink strategies. Build authoritative links to enhance your website's credibility and boost search rankings. Now let's dive deeper into these features and how you can use them to optimize your e-commerce website effectively. Step 1, mastering keyword research. Why keywords matter. Keywords are the foundation of any SEO strategy. For e-commerce, identifying keywords with strong commercial and transactional intent ensures that your products reach the right audience. Targeting the right keywords not only increases traffic, but it also ensures that visitors are more likely to convert into customers. How Semrush helps. Keyword Magic Tool. Enter a seed keyword related to your product and the tool will generate thousands of related keywords. For example, if you sell running shoes, the tool might suggest keywords like best running shoes for women or waterproof running shoes. E-commerce keyword analytics. So this feature reveals high converting keywords across major retail sites, providing insights into search volume, clicks, as well as conversions. It also helps identify seasonal trends, ensuring that your campaigns remain timely and effective. Search intent filtering. Quickly distinguish between informational, commercial, and transactional keywords, ensuring that you target the ones most likely to drive sales. Example use case. So imagine your store sells fitness trackers. By using Semrush, you could uncover keywords like affordable fitness trackers with commercial intent and buy fitness trackers online. This is transactional intent. Additionally, the tool can reveal long-tail keywords such as fitness trackers under $50 to capture a niche audience. These insights allow you to optimize your product pages for maximum visibility and relevance. Step 2, optimizing content for SEO. Friendly product pages. Semrush simplifies on-page optimization with tools like the on-page SEO checker. Here's what you should focus on. Title tags. Include primary keywords and create enticing titles like best running shoes for 2024 to capture user attention. Meta descriptions. Write concise, engaging descriptions that highlight product benefits and include relevant keywords. A meta description acts as a mini advertisement, so make it compelling. Headings and subheadings. Use heading 1 and heading 2 tags effectively to improve readability and keyword usage. Subheadings not only help with SEO, but also make the page user-friendly. Enhancing product descriptions. Unique, detailed descriptions not only improve SEO, but also enhance the user experience as well. So avoid generic copy. Instead, highlight key features and benefits. For example, this waterproof fitness tracker monitors your heart rate and steps, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. It also syncs seamlessly with both iOS and Android devices. Detailed descriptions help differentiate your products from competitors and provide customers with the information that they need to make informed decisions. Adding FAQs. FAQs are a goldmine for SEO. Semrush helps you find commonly asked questions related to your products, which you can answer directly on your site. For example, what is the battery life of the fitness tracker? Is it compatible with iOS and Android devices? How water resistant is the fitness tracker? Adding FAQs can also improve user engagement by addressing common concerns up front, reducing the likelihood of returns or dissatisfaction. Step 3, streamlining site architecture and technical SEO. Why site structure matters. A well-organized site not only improves user experience, but it also ensures search engines can crawl and index your pages effectively. Proper site architecture is essentially for scalability, especially as your e-commerce store grows. How Semrush assists. Site Audit Tool. Identify and resolve issues like broken links, duplicate content, and slow page speeds. Semrush's detailed reports prioritize issues by severity, helping you focus on what matters most. Sitemap optimization. Generate and submit a sitemap to ensure that all product pages are indexed. This ensures that search engines can discover your entire catalog. Mobile optimization. Use the mobile-friendly checker to ensure that your site performs well on all devices. Mobile optimization is crucial as mobile traffic often accounts for the majority of e-commerce visits. Example use case. Semrush's site audit might reveal that your product pages take too long to load due to large image files. By compressing images and optimizing code, you can improve load times and rankings. Additionally, restructuring your navigation menus to include clear categories and subcategories can enhance the user experience. Step 4, beating the competition. Competitor analysis with Semrush's tools. You can identify keyword gaps. So find keywords that your competitors rank for, but you don't. This reveals opportunities to capture untapped traffic. Analyze backlinks. Discover where your competitors' backlinks come from and replicate their success. Backlinks from authoritative sites boost your credibility in rankings. Track their strategies. Use Semrush's position tracking to monitor how your competitors' rankings evolve over time and adjust your strategy accordingly. Example use case. If a competitor ranks for best waterproof jackets, Semrush can show you the backlinks contributing to their success. You can then reach out to similar sites for link opportunities. Additionally, analyzing their top performing content can inspire improvements to your own. Step 5, tracking and measuring success. Position tracking. Set up position tracking to monitor how your keywords perform over time. Semrush provides real-time updates on rankings, visibility, and traffic. This feature is especially valuable for tracking seasonal campaigns or newly launched products. Organic traffic analysis. Use Google Analytics in conjunction with Semrush to track organic conversions and refine your strategy. Analyze traffic sources to understand which channels drive the most valuable visitors. Example use case. Let's say your campaign targets the keyword vegan protein powder. With position tracking, you'll know exactly how your campaign is climbing the rankings and where to make adjustments. You can also identify related keywords that start gaining traction and incorporate them into your strategy. Now let's go ahead and take a brief look inside of Semrush. So if you want to get started with Semrush, we have a link down in the description where you can go ahead and get started with a free 14-day pro exclusive access. Now all you need to do is go ahead and click on try it free and then go ahead and just select the plan that you want to go forward with. From there, you'll get full access for 14 days inside of Semrush. And once you go ahead and log in, this is what Semrush looks like. So over here on the left-hand side, we have all of these tools. Up top, we have the SEO dashboard. So we can go ahead and click on that and see what our SEO dashboard looks like. Next, we have competitive research where they have domain overview, traffic analytics, organic research, keyword gap, and backlink gap. Under that, we have the keyword research. So we can do keyword overview. This is also where that keyword magic tool is. And this is a super helpful tool. So for here, we go ahead and just type in something like best running shoes and click search. And then you can go ahead and see all the keywords related to best running shoes. And this is where you can go ahead and see the intent, the volume, the keyword difficulty score, as well as the estimated cost per click. So as you can see, there are tons of tools inside of Semrush. So if you want to go ahead and try them out for yourself, be sure to click the link down in the description to get your hands on a free 14-day trial. So is Semrush right for you? If you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business, then Semrush is an invaluable tool. From uncovering profitable keywords regards to optimizing your site and outsmarting competitors, it equips you with everything needed to succeed in SEO. The platform's comprehensive suite of tools ensures that no aspect of your SEO strategy is overlooked. Now, if you want to get started with Semrush, then you'll find links for it down in the description below to get a free 14-day trial. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your business online, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.